Hey everyone! Managing livestock or securing your property can be challenging, but the Mini 160 portable electric fence charger is here to make it simpler. Compact, weather-resistant, and easy to use. This device is designed to handle your fencing needs effectively. Let's take a closer look at its features, setup, and performance. Let's start off by talking about its design. The Mini 160 is a portable, lightweight unit that measures just 8.66 x 11.02 x 6.69 inches. Its weatherproof casing ensures reliable performance in various outdoor conditions, making it suitable for year-round use. The device is equipped with clear indicator lights for easy monitoring and works seamlessly with different fencing materials, from steel wires to poly tape. It's designed to provide consistent power day and night, keeping your animals secure. Setting up the Mini 160 is straightforward. Mount it securely in a location near your fencing. Connect the power source, either a battery or an AC adapter. Attach the grounding wire and the fence connection. Once it's running, you'll find it delivers steady and reliable power. It's a great solution for small to medium enclosures, keeping livestock contained and safe. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's highlight the pros first. Compact and portable design. Durable, weather-resistant construction. Easy to set up and maintain. Effective for small to medium-sized areas. Now, it's time for the cons. Limited coverage for larger pastures. May need additional components for more complex setups. Customers had a lot to say in their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. Users praised its portability and consistent performance. If you're looking for a reliable electric fence charger for small-scale farming or animal containment, the Mini 160 is a strong contender. What do you think of the Mini 160 portable electric fence charger? Have any questions or insights? Drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.